It's a song, this is called Eyes. Faces come back to you, words come back, the ones you cast off down the road. Words come back, the dim murmur from a muddy river. You feel them, you draw her eyes across the ball of darkness. You draw her eyes, and it's wide as the gates of morning. High above the mountain, you draw them with your finger, hollow and watery, and you feel night's treachery creep beneath your windowsill. With the footsteps of a cat, I have her eyes, you say, drawn upon the wall of darkness. I have her eyes, you say, the solitude and peace. I have her eyes, you say, and all of her charts are whispers, and in fear you cry. I have love. Rush across your lips, a hand rises up from the murmur of words, cast off along the road, and it wipes out her eyes, and you are defeated, and your mouth is crushed, just like the roadside grass after the herd has passed. I draw her eyes, you say, drawn upon the wall of darkness. I have her eyes, you say, the solitude and peace. I have her eyes, you say, and all of her charts are whispers,